Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadisiac. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be really exciting, or at least in my opinion, because I'm going to be trying out a new protein treatment, and as you guys can see from the title, it is going to be TPH by Taraji P. Henson. We are trying the Real Love, a protein powered gel mask. That's a really long name. So if you haven't watched my videos, you know that I did a video titled products that I won't be trying on my high porosity hair. I think that's what it was called. I'll link it up top and down below. TPH was in that video. I went on Target's website, saw that 18 products were launched, and I was just like, And another thing is that the ingredients were not on Target's website, so I just felt like there's a whole bunch of products, there's no ingredients. How legit is this line? Now, I did receive a comment under that video that I posted, and one of you guys told me that Taraji, she's actually been like demoing her products and promoting her products a lot more during quarantine. And I also saw that she came out with a website for the products. I checked out the website. It's really nice and organized. I had a much better understanding of how she kind of like marketed her products. She has scalp care products on there, repair products on there, cleansing products. But anyways, so I saw this product in Target and I picked it up. I haven't tried a new protein treatment on my high porosity hair in a very long time. I usually stick with the same old thing. You guys already know my favorite protein treatment. You should know. So this one, it actually has 4 different proteins. So it has hydrolyzed soy protein, hydrolyzed rice protein, hydrolyzed barley protein, which I've never even heard of before, hydrolyzed pea protein. Then towards the end of the ingredients list, there's hydrolyzed extracts. So there's hydrolyzed lemon fruit extract, hydrolyzed carrot root extract, hydrolyzed brassica. Okay, I don't know what this one is at all. I'll put the name down here. But this seems to be a protein treatment, like a real protein treatment. Some protein treatments will have protein like at the very end of the ingredients list and call that a protein treatment. So my hair was pre-pooed overnight with coconut oil. This morning I shampooed it, or clarified rather. I always like to clarify before I do a protein treatment because it just removes all of that buildup, and the protein can really penetrate my hair strands and really adhere and do the repairing that it needs to do. Now we are just going to use the protein treatment. Alright you guys, so this is what the product looks like coming straight out of the packaging. It looks creamy, but once you put it onto your hair, it kind of feels like a gel. As for the smell, it has sort of a perfumey, fragrant type smell, but it's not overpowering, and I feel like it was just okay. It's not the best smelling thing, but it doesn't smell bad either. So like I was saying, this product, once you apply it to your hair, it kind of feels like a gel or maybe a cream gel, if you guys have ever tried one of those before. So again, you see the consistency. It's like white, it looks creamy, but then I'm rubbing it in between my hands, applying it, and it's kind of distributing like a cream gel, basically. I don't know how else to explain it, you guys. You would need to try it to actually know what it feels like. But if you have tried a cream gel before, like one of those stylers that are creamy, but they kind of like feel a little bit like a gel, it's really similar to that. So the slip on this product is actually fairly good. I wasn't expecting much because it does say that it's a gel mask, so I wasn't expecting like the slip of a cream, but it actually did come through for me, and I was able to finger detangle through my hair. As you can see, this first section is detangled, so I was pretty impressed by the slip. Now, I did have some parts of my hair that were tangled, and you guys just saw there that I had like a knot at the end of my hair. All I had to do to take that out was just remove it from the bottom, take my time, and it came straight out. So just be careful when you're applying this. This is not a cream, so it's not going to have as much slip as a cream. So you want to go section by section, take your time when you're distributing, and when you're detangling, if you're using your fingers, be gentle, and if you're using a comb, be even more gentle, because this is not going to have like the slip of a cream, okay? So you just want to take your time. Also, once I finish applying the product, I am just 2-strand twisting both sides of my hair to keep my hair detangled and make sure that it doesn't tangle up again. So the application process did go by pretty smoothly despite my hair getting tangled at the bottom a few different times. Again, you guys can see here, this section got tangled as well. I don't know what caused this because my hair has never gotten tangled at the ends with the protein treatment before. But I did like how this felt on my hair. Once I was able to finger detangle, it did make my cuticles feel really nice and smooth. I'm just applying more of the protein treatment to my edges in my nape now. And I'm going to take a plastic cap. This does say that you can use it with or without heat. So of course I opted for heat to get the optimal results from out of it. So I'm taking my hair therapy wrap and I'm going to deep condition for 15 minutes. And these are my final results after rinsing all of the protein treatment from out of my hair. My curls are super defined, they're shiny, bouncy. My hair also felt extremely moisturized after rinsing this protein treatment out. My hair overall just looked really nice and healthy. So stay tuned to hear my final thoughts on this protein treatment. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have to make this quick because I meant to charge my battery while it was deep conditioning, but I forgot. So I don't know, my battery can die at any second. But I am very, very surprised, you guys. Very surprised. Applying this onto the hair, it was actually very, very nice. This protein treatment, it is a gel, but it feels like it just has a creaminess to it, so that part is interesting. The slip was also good. You guys saw that I was able to like finger detangle through my hair, which is really important because I don't use brushes or combs to like detangle my hair. I always use my fingers. When I was rinsing this out of my hair felt super conditioned, very smooth. Like I had to keep on rinsing my hair a few times just to make sure all the product was out. I'm like extremely impressed by that. And even now, after rinsing the protein treatment from out of my hair, my cuticles are still smooth feeling. I'll try to show you guys. I don't know if it's gonna really pick up on camera. My hair feels smooth, and maybe you guys can see how smooth my cuticles look. This is my naked hair, okay? Usually my cuticles are more raised, they're frizzy. That's just my hair. But you can see like the frizz is minimized. Okay, so I literally just put my deep conditioner in my hair because my battery died. I need to buy a new charger ASAP. But I did want to close out this, you know, first impression video the proper way. So, TPH Real Love Protein Treatment, it's AK approved. I really do like this protein treatment and I'm happy because I don't love a lot of protein treatments, so this is one that I'm glad I can kind of add to the list for right now. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.